Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Staging for endometrial carcinoma. FIGO staging is used. According to FIGO staging, stage 1 cancer is limited to the uterus. Stage 1A cancer in stage 1A less than 50% of myometrium is involved. Stage 1B more than 50% of myometrium is involved. Stage 2 cervical stroma and glands are involved. Stage 3 cervix spreads cancer spreads beyond the cervix. So in stage 3 adnexia like tubes and ovaries are also involved. Parametrium is the ligament surrounding the uterus is also involved. Stage 3A, in stage 3A cancer involves either the serosa or the adnexia. Stage 3B, in stage 3B the cancer involves vagina or parametrium. Stage 3C, in stage 3C there is lymph node involvement. Stage 3C1, in stage 3C1 pelvic lymph nodes are involved. Stage 3C2, in stage 3C2 para-aortic lymph nodes are involved. Stage 4 there will be metastasis. Stage 4A there will be regional metastasis to either bladder or bowel. Stage 4B there will be distant metastasis or involvement of inguinal lymph nodes will be seen. In cancer cervix, the cancer ovary and cancer endometrium, inguinal lymph nodes are involved in stage 4B. The staging procedure.
thank you and thank you for watching.